Here is Sherry, is my best partner, best person, best human being. I have passion for food, she has passion for work and be creative, and we combine this in together. We met like almost 10 years ago in one restaurant, and we work together, and right now we have another step that's coming through. Fresh paella, we cook fresh paella and fresh tapa. This is the original idea, to change the concept about food trucks and trailers, make it fresh as possible.
The number one dish in Spain, paella. When all our customers, then they come back from Spain, we just got back from Spain, and they say to us after they have his paella is better than what we had in Spain. You must hear that twice a day at the wineries.
With nice ingredients, nice spices like saffron, nice olive oil, right from Spain. So all the ingredients is original, and the quality of paella is amazing. One of the top chef from Spain in Washington DC and around the world. So he saw my potential, he saw my ability, my dedication, my ethic, especially my ethic is very important. For 8 years working in Jaleo DC, Café Atlántico, Saitiña, all his restaurants in Washington DC, and after that is when you learn from the best, it's your opportunity to move on. I start doing my own career, to get my certifications, and I'm right here after 20 years. Definitely the professional.
Very professional.
We're driving here from Maryland, 898 miles, because I believe in what you guys doing. Definitely keep be professional is the most important thing.
So it looks like we'll be back for another interview in a year.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
We have a lot of followers. They love to follow him, see where he'll be.
It's unbelievable. After 1 year and a half, you see the support. They're coming and coming and coming, and they have been support me. And definitely, I understand what it means, how to be connected with the human being. And food. Food is amazing connection. It's more, when you cook, you express love. It's the key, love. But you have to have that passion for cook. You can make it, but you have to work. You don't have to waiting for nobody giving anything to you. Just work with dedication and passion. But God bless you, United States. I'm very proud to be a USA citizen a long time ago, and I'm doing my contribution to this country to work hard. Simple, and respect the law, support the system, support the police, and freedom. That's the reason everybody come to United States. Everybody from around the world coming to this country, because this country is beautiful. They say gringo is a nice people, love these people, and we can do everything together and we respect each other.